I'm in the boatyard, walking around on a Saturday morning, looking at interesting things to video for our YouTube world. And I walk upon this boat, and I see the anchor, which is a stainless steel CQR plow type anchor. But the thing that I notice, actually a double take, is the anchor's on the wrong side of the roller. See that black roller? The anchor's on the wrong side of the roller. So I've got to figure out why is it like that, and is there a way that we can fix it? So it's not my boat, and the owner of the boat is not aboard, so I don't know what to do about this, but I do believe that is a problem. And if you go out to anchor for a Saturday afternoon or in an emergency for a storm approaching, I think you might have trouble getting that anchor launched or deployed. If you want to learn more about anchoring, check out our 90-minute anchoring video. Ask Captain Chris.